Good morning children, welcome to online class. Children, so far we have discussed 4 lessons children. Previous class we have discussed time and motion. So in this class we are going to discuss a new lesson children. The title of the lesson is temperature and its measurement. Temperature and its measurement. So children, before describing about the title, I want to say something children. Children, right now you know what is the season, in which season we are right now. We are absolutely says that we are in winter season, sir. Yes, we are in winter season. So what type of clothes do we prefer children to wear? Especially woolen clothes. Why we wear woolen clothes in particularly winter season children? Why don't we wear woolen clothes in summer or rainy season? Because children, particularly we are wearing woolen clothes in winter season to protect from cool air. So children, to protect from cool air, we are wearing woolen clothes. By wearing this woolen clothes, we internally generate ourselves heat children. Means this woolen clothes never make cool air to pass through into our body children. Understand children? So this avoids the cool air. Woolen clothes avoids the cool air. It stops. Simply say stops. So we feel internally heat children. So children, what is the logic to raise from this topic children? We need heat. We need heat. Yes or no children? To protect from the cool nature, we need heat. So by wearing woolen clothes, we can generate heat by ourselves children. Understand children? So coming to next, in summer season, which type of clothes we prefer children? In summer season, which type of clothes? Simply you can say clothes, cotton clothes. Here. So children, cotton clothes of lightweight children. Of lightweight. Why we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season? Because at that time we need air. Understand children? We are avoiding heat children. The sun's rays are objecting now, so we are avoiding heat. So internally we are generating cool. Understand children? If we wear cotton clothes, internally we can have some cool. So to be have like a cool nature. So we are avoiding hot. To simply say heat. Here at winter season we need heat. At summer season we avoids heating. Avoids heating children. Understand children? Here we are avoiding cool type of climate children. We are avoiding cool type of climate in winter season. So that's the reason we need heat. But coming to the summer season, we avoid heating and we require cool temperature. Cool temperature. So children, heat, cool are two objects children. Heat and cool are two objects. So first of all, I want to say only about heat children. Only about heat. So we'll see regarding heat children. So what is heat? Children, what is heat? What is heat children? Children, heat is a form of energy. Children, heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. So children, we use different objects in our daily lives. So children, what objects are, as I said clearly. So we use electrical geysers, children. We use electrical geysers to make the water heat, children. Means we are using electrical energy to convert into heat energy, children. So electrical geysers, or we simply say electrical energy. We are using electrical energy and we are converting into heat energy. And one more, children, that is chemical energy, children. Chemical energy can also be converted into heat. And mechanical energy can also be converted into heat energy, children. See children, forms of energies are there, children. We are converting electrical energy into heat energy. We can convert it. And chemical energy means nothing but what, children? Heating the water or boiling the water. If we boil the water, in between the particles, chemical reaction takes place and it is converted into heat energy, children. So after a certain time you feel that the water is heat, and mechanical energy can also be converted into heat energy, children. As like heat energy also can be converted into heat energy converted to electrical energy, heat energy to chemical energy, heat energy to mechanical energy, children. So heat is a form of energy, children. First of all, heat is a form of energy. So to simply say in a diagrammatic representation, you need to take a vessel, children. You need to take a vessel. This is a vessel. You pour water in it and keep on the flame and heat it for some time. What you observe, children? Children, before heating, you place the lid. You know, lid means a plate. So keep a lid over the vessel, children, and put on the flames, children. So what happens? The water gets boiling. Means the water gets to start to heat. When they start to heat, after certain time, they convert it into vapors, children. Water vapor. You know, changes of states means water has 3 states. In 6th class you learned that: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. So these are the three stages, or we can say forms, children, of water. So children, when you heat it, what happens? After certain time, it gets into vapor state, children. So whenever you place the lid over the vessel, children, so these water vapors make the lid to move aside. That much amount of force is coming and it is hitting the lid, children. Whenever it hits the lid moves slightly apart from the vessel, children. So here, what is the energy present? Heat energy, children. From where does it get? By heating. By heating, we are getting heat. That is the energy, children. Heat is a form of energy. And one more thing I want to say, it always transfers from hot body to cold body. Hot body to cold body. Children, there is a example. There is a small action, children, to do it. When you rub your palms, while you are doing like this, between the 2 palms, the friction produces, children. Due to the friction itself, the heat produces, children. This heat can be transferred from hot body to cold body, children. This heat can be transferred from hot body to cold body. Simply again you take one bucket, children, Here it is a bucket. In winter season, you most probably prefer to take the hot bath. Children. So here it is a hot water in the bucket, children. Hot water in the bucket. So children, whenever you insert your fingertips into the hot water, you will get a feeling of hot. Why you are getting? Because it is a hot body itself. When you are placing your cold body, that is nothing but your hand. Whenever you dip your fingertips into the hot water, it gets a feeling of hot because heat is getting transferred into your body, children. It is getting transferred into your body. So heat is a form of energy. It always transfers from hot body to cold body, children. One more, children. Here it is an ice cube, children. Ice cube. Whenever you put a small ice cube onto your palm, what do you feel, children? You feel it is cool. You will get a feeling of cool. So children, why you are getting a cool feeling? Because whatever the heat energy present in your body is transforming to that ice cube, children. Is transforming to that ice cube. So you are getting a feeling of coolness. But in turn, the ice cube melts, children. Whenever you put a small ice cube onto your palm, it starts melting. Who caused it to melt, children? Your temperature, your body temperature made the ice cube melt, children. Because when you place ice cube on your palm, the heat energy continuously transfers from hot body to cold body. Who are the hot body? I am myself and yourselves are the hot bodies. And who is the cold body here? The ice itself. So continuously the hot body supplies heat energy to the cold. So in turn it starts to melt, children. So we will observe some water is found on your palms or my palms. So children, we will discuss regarding heat and the temperature concepts in the next class, children. Thank you, children.